Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a special thing. It's a JEENSO snow falling animated projector. Outdoor Halloween Christmas decoration LED technology. It's projection lights with music. Wow, nice, high quality music, playback function, and remote control. Ooh, it is a brand new 2018 music projector lights version with 8 sides. The Snowfall animated musical projector light can show a huge projection, and the two-story room was perfect place to show off the device. Simply place the projector light facing your house front and entertain your family and neighbors with flurry snow and 4-frame animated images to show accompanied by Christmas carols, Halloween sounds, or holiday classics. Inside is the micro SD card, so you can put sound in case of MP3s on this device, and you can hear or play back so many different music. Awesome. 8 sides, animated themes, full color images, dancing skeleton man, fluttering forward ghost, Merry Christmas font, running unicorn. Oh, I like the running unicorn, really nice. Alex sledding, walking Santa Claus, skiing snowman, walking rabbit for Eastern. Compared with the old version, the upgrade version uses high quality projection cards for higher light transmission and higher brightness at the same power. And this, I do not know the older version, but this version is awesome, really awesome. Inside is a music player. The projector has micro TF slot on the backs with a 128 ampere TF card in it. Pop out card and download. MP3 files are compatible. High performance speaker, and this is really high performance. The sound is clear and loud, but you can adjust the level of sound by using the remote, so that you can enjoy the beauty of the animated scene along with the pleasure of crisp sound. The most ideal present for Christmas, Halloween, Easter, and other festivals for your family and friends. The light comes with remote controller and a long cable. It's a 6-meter long enough to set it up in your garden or front of the house without any bothering. The controller allows you to change the image, motion speed, modes, volume control, as well and as all time. The timer function. The lights out to shut down after 2, 4, or 6 hours. No more forgetting to turn it off. It is a better energy saving like this. And it's outdoor and indoor ready. Includes base and ground stack for indoor and outdoor walls. And you can put this stack in your dirt at the front, and it is enough to hold this awesome projector. It is waterproof. Both light and plugs are waterproof. Get stable in bad weathers of rain, wind, sun, and snow. Place light approximately 13 to 19 feet from the projector surface. After the light is turned on, you may need to adjust the distance to get the best result. The project area is around about 15 until 50 square meters, and this is your house. Really, I think you can push this animated pictures and so on your wall. It's easy. It's really easy. Bright, LED moving patterns create a unique display in your home. Wall and house decorating light with snowfall moving automatically take more fun for you party, festival and families. Don't immerse it into water directly. It is only waterproof if the rain is falling from the topside. So do not dip it into water. You cannot project underwater, okay? But it's no problem, really. This is a nice thing, and you can use it outside and inside for projecting normally. This is it is okay for this, but do not go diving with this. Waterproof, remote control, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Remote control. Input voltage is AC 110 until 240 volt. The power is 9 watt. Operation temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 30 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature is minus 25 to 30 temperature. And the extension cord is 6 meters. This is so long, it is enough. It is enough for your thing. The remote control distance is 15 meters. The material is ABS high temperature engineered plastic shell, and it feels it is a nice surface, and it is easy to handle, really easy, and it is a high quality product. You can feel it if you have it in your hands. The weight is 860 grams. And inside of your package is a snowfall animated light projector, a one remote control, one base for inner thing, and the ground stake for outside, and one user manual in different sound and different languages. And 8 sides projector cards is included. Animated projector is not rotating projection, but a 4-frame looping animation, complete an action in a simple form. This is awesome. There, one man have good idea to make out of 4 unique frames one little slideshow. This is awesome. The LED projector lights contain a variety of elements such as Halloween, Christmas, Easter, etc. You can use it in parties, wedding, holidays, and even children's room to create a dreamy and happy atmosphere. The both lights are snow projector. The lower lights are animated projector. That means you have 2 projectors in one body. You can change the modes through the remote control, snow and animated combined, lively and interesting. The music player is awesome. There is a TF card slot at the back side of the lights, which contains the included 128 megabyte TF card. You can take it out and download your favorite songs, and you can play your favorite songs with this unique thing. Equipped with high quality speakers, that it is. The sound is crisp and the mode can be changed by the remote control. The modes are snowfall mode. The projection area is about 15 square meters. It can adjust stable speed, pause and close. It can be used alone. The animated mode is the projection area is about 9 square meters. Huge animation, can adjust stable speed, flashing pause and off, and it can be used alone. That means you have all these things to get it alone in a standalone version, but you can do this in a concert, in a festival version with all together. It is a combined mode. Rich content and bright colors, suitable for all kind of festivals. And of course, you can use the music mode. High quality speakers, the sound is crisp and loud. And this is right. Only use this thing if you do not like to project something. You can use to hear some music. It is easy to install. Insert the projection card into the card slot. Note the groove on the projector card. Screw the screw on the steel. Just done. The remote control is easy too. It can adjust the light mode in a warm interior. It can be timed 2, 4, and 6 hours. Peace of mind. And more accessories in this set. You don't need to buy other accessories. The 6-meter cable is enough for outdoor use. And you can use the different things to bring this thing easy into action. And it is so beautiful. It is so high quality. Oh, yeah. Christmas will come. And I like it. Here you can see it. And now he's dancing. And now let me show all the different themes on my wall. I like it really much, and I will use it every day. And it is not so expensive. Really nice. I like it. Remote control is in it. Everything. IP6 for waterproof, perfect for outdoor and indoor use. Through snow, rain, or a scorching heat, the weather won't stop the light from working perfectly. Walking Santa Claus, dancing skeletons, running unicorn, elk sled, skying snowman, drifting ghosts, Merry Christmas, and walking rabbits. All seasons are in the box. It is 9.8 inches high. You have on the upside the snowfall projector, and the bottom side is the animated projector for the animated things. At the back side, you have the speaker on the top side, and on the bottom side is a TF card. And the remote has a volume up, volume down button, music pause button, last song, next song button, snowfall, snowfall and animated button. This is the button on the right side. And then you can down to snowfall speed up and down. You can animate it speed up and down, patterns display, patterns flash, and the remote can be used to program 2, 4, 6 hours timer and circuitry every day. Nice and easy to use. Oh, I am going to like it, and I like it now. Merry Christmas, all of you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And now let's have a look to the beautiful sound and the nice themes. Soon.
Hallo. So, ich bin auch fertig hier. Was ist das? Ich bin fertig.